Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to see what's in these free eggs. Tiago's tips. This kit comes with 12 eggs. Today we're opening 3. And this is the first. These are all 12 dinosaurs you will find in the eggs. Let's open these up with a scissor. I'm opening these up with a scissor. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. I open these up with a scissor. You have to soak these eggs in water for 5 minutes. You have to wait for 5 minutes, and when the egg sinks to the bottom, you have to take it out. And that means that it's ready to be opened. And now we have to do our next egg. Be very careful with the scissors. Make sure you're using kids' scissors. Or call an adult to help you. We got one more to open and then we're done. Oh. Maybe it slipped out by itself. Whoa, that's a big splash. Put the timer on for 5 minutes. Okay, now we wait. Oh, okay, everybody. Roll up our sleeves. And put my hand in. Use a box or something because it could get messy. Okay, we're starting with our first egg. Oh, this is the case. I have to use one of these. There we go. That's better. Wow. Put your chisel inside. And when you put your chisel inside, there's one rule that you have to twist it back and forth. Back and right and left until you get to a hole. And it's supposed to look like that. Your hands might get dirty, but it's all part of the project. Get an adult to help you. It's a little easier. My dad's gonna help me open some of these eggs. Good job, Bob. Good job. I was thinking do it in that crack right there. Whoa! Oh! Holy moly! We have a dinosaur right here. We're gonna put it right here. Just has a little bit more opening. Zoom. Hey, there's a little crack right there. Woo! Spuddy buddy! Lucky buddy! Get another sharp one from a quick test. Oh, looks like we got a little bit. Put it in the water so it can soften up and clean up. And this is the one we got. Now we're on for the next. This is kind of look like this is kind of the shape. Grab another egg, ready for hammering. Bobby, we need a little more hammering back here. Ah. This is the only meat eater that we got, the pterodactyl. The only meat eater that we got.
Carnivore?
Yep, carnivore. It's carnivore. Meat eater, plant eater, meat eater, plant eater, and plant eater. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.